Sir Steve, this is the 3K because Dad is win the game.
Sir Steve, thank you so much. This money is we buy some food stuff here in house. This money is ano yung bibigay?
Give.
This money I'll give.
I'll buy.
I'll give to my wife half. Thank you so much, Sir Steven. This is a big blessing.
This is the 5,000 pesos for Ate Elsa frozen foods. 500 pesos.
Sir Steve, thank you very much. Love you.
This is a 3,000 for Pototski because she is won the game.
Thank you, Sir Steven. Thank you so much. God bless you, Sir Steve. It's a big help for me. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. Love you.
This is a 3K for Jobs because she won the game.
Thank you, Sir Steve. Thank you so much.
Sir Steve, this is the 500 for watermelon.
Thank you po.
This is the 250 pesos for Ati
Thank you
Tena.
po. Thank you po, Sir
Lanis, ma'am.
Steve.
Lanis Mom. Sir Steve, 1,000 for Vanessa.
Thank you, Sir Steve, for everything.
Sir Steve, this is Kuya Madisal. Thank you so much. Love you.